Legal teams for the city of Amarillo and Amarillo businessman Alex Fairley were in a Potter County District Court. They met for about 6 hours total, discussing whether Fairley should be forced to pay for delays in the Amarillo Civic Center construction project. Thanks for joining us tonight. No decisions were made today regarding the city's security against motion, which asks the judge to force Fairley to pay to cover the increased cost. Now, this comes after Fairley filed a suit against the city, questioning the legality of their use of more than $260 million in anticipation notes to pay for the Civic Center project. Tonight, details about what it all means moving forward. It's part of our Democracy 2022 coverage, first on Fox. Initially, the city of Amarillo had requested Alex Fairley pay $5.9 million to compensate Amarillo taxpayers for the increased costs. They attribute that to inflation, fluctuating interest rates, and increased construction costs. Thursday, it was Fairley's legal team's burden to prove that it's more likely than not that they will prevail in their case. The judge says that hearing came down to two questions. Should Fairley be required to pay that bond? And if so, how much? Fairley's team claims there's no evidence the delay in the project comes from his lawsuit against the city. They claim it comes from the Texas Attorney General's lack of a decision on the legality of the city's use of anticipation notes in the project. Fairley's team also claims the city violated the Open Meetings Act because the agenda on May 24th outlined that tax and revenue notes would be used to fund the project. In testimony Thursday, the city clarified the notes were just tax notes pledging property taxes, not other revenue sources.
Any other comments on the process moving forward from here today?
No, we have confidence in it. We feel really good about how today went.
In its closing arguments, the city of Amarillo said the agenda was clear and the Civic Center topic was clearly being discussed, citing the number of people who spoke against the project at the time. Officials from the city's legal team stressed that the evidence shows there's no real question the city followed the Open Meetings Act. In a statement on Monday, Amarillo Mayor Ginger Nelson said in part, "We are seeking to protect the taxpayers of Amarillo from project cost increases that have resulted from this lawsuit." Supporters of Fairley were at Hodgetown Thursday to watch those proceedings.
Support's amazing. There were a bunch of people over there, and yeah, it's amazing. We appreciate it.
We heard from some of them at the event.
As far as building the Civic Center, it was voted on a year and a half ago or so, and the vote was negative, so we really respect Mr. Fairley and his efforts to raise this issue. A lot of us as common citizens can't afford to do that or don't have the means to do that, so we're behind him all the way.
There needs to be more communication. I mean, there are other ways to do things other than just saying, well, you don't know what's good for you, we're just going to do it. That's not how things are done.
We reached out to the city of Amarillo for comment on today's court proceedings. They did not provide any additional statements. As far as what's next, both parties will have the opportunity to respond to this hearing through court documents by Wednesday at 5. Officials expect a decision on this specific motion by the first week of August. As of now, the trial is still set for October. Reporter David Gay has been following this case and was in the courtroom all day today for his in-depth coverage. Head over to myhighplains.com.